Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be introducing you guys to the Rocket series. The Rocket series consists of 10 parts. We are going to be designing each of the parts with SolidWorks, generating the M&G code with SolidCam. Then guys, we are going to use SolidWorks assembly in order to assemble all the 10 parts in order to get our rocket. And then we are going to export this part into what we call SolidWorks Visualize. With Visualize, we are going to be able to render our project successfully. So this is the first part of the Rocket series. So looking upon the first part of the Rocket series, as you notice guys, it is a pretty simple part and it requires only revolve command. So looking upon section A, this section A represents the thread definitely. When I look upon section A and I look upon this table, I realize that these tables are actually the details on how to obtain a successful thread for this particular project. So I'm going to be explaining this thread when we are going to be targeting the M&G codes. So guys, without wasting more time, we are going to dive into the project. File, new, part, making sure our units of measurement should be in inch. Front view. We are going to try to sketch the part profile. Firstly, line command. But we are using revolve technique. So I'm going to take 0.35 divided by 2. Looking upon the length of the diagram, it's about 1.8 line at this point. Over here, smart dimension, a distance of 1.5 inch. Again, at a diameter of 0.95, so it's gonna be 0.95 divided by 2. Now, when I look at the diagram, it closes with an arc. So I'm gonna use the arc command, 3-point arc. I'm gonna take this point, and just curve it this way. Smart dimension, radius of 3.298. Or fine, line command. As per the drawing, you go straight, you go upward. Now this line goes towards the thread. Remember, just put a straight line. You're gonna put a straight line and then close the curve. Trim entity. I want to trim this part this way. Smart dimension to the origin, it's 5.65. Section A. You notice that section A, the outer diameter is 0.398 and the inner diameter or the groove is 0.238. So you want to add this, and equally guys, there are some fillets of 0.02. So I want to consider this. So this diameter, the outer diameter, 0.398 divided by 2. Oh, perfect. The groove, 0.238 divided by 2. Fillet, 0.02. So you want to put the fillet over here and over here. Oh, fine. So equally, we got a fillet at this point for radius 0.025. You want to add this too. So with this, I think we are pretty done and our sketch is fully defined and closed. So you go for the green check. You want to use the feature revolve base and select this as your axis of revolution and go for the green check. So at this point, you want to save your project. VMS project 8 Rocket series. We got some chamfers at section A. Remember that section A denotes split. So we got two chamfers of 0.035 and equally we got a chamfer here of 0.01. Chamfer command. Chamfer of 0.035 at an angle of 45, full preview. I'm going to select this edge and this edge. Go for the green check. Repeat command, chamfer 0.01, angle 45 degrees, and then you select this point. Oh, perfect. So guys, with this we are done with the CAD design of the first part of the rocket series. Now, speaking about the threads, I actually prefer that we should put the thread when we are dealing with the M&G code. So, meeting you guys in the next tutorial with the generation of the M&G code required for VMS Project 8. So guys, have a nice day. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep leaving comments. Thank you a lot, guys.